Welcome to the Data Future channel. This is Shekhar, and today we are going to see how to create a pivot table and pivot chart. Okay, so this is the data, and this data is having almost 20 records and three columns mainly. One is region, second one is the month, and third one is the amount. Now let's see how we can create the pivot table out of this. So what you have to do, you have to select the next cell and select the first cell of the next cell and click on the insert, and you can see on the left hand side there is a pivot table, so you can click on that. Now you have to select the table, so you select this table, complete table till the last record and say okay. So now you can see here is the pivot table. Now here is the fields you can see, and these fields are region, month, and the amount. So, and here is the filters, columns, rows, and values. Now what I'll do, I need to select the region as the row, and month is the column, and the value is the amount. Okay, so I'll select this, drag and drop, and you can see here there is a January, February, March are the columns, and this the east, north, south, and west are the rows. Now you can do the interchange this. So if you want to delete this, you can remove the fields here. You can click on this. So now what I want the region is the column and month is a rows. Okay, you can see here these are the regions and these are the months. Okay, so this is about the this is the pivot table.